Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make Threads account private. But before anything else, you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your Threads application. In order for you to do that, you can now exit first your Threads, and then this time you have to look for your Google Play Store if you are using Android and App Store if you're using iPhone. So here you have to go and tap on the search icon, search for Threads. And then if you see an update button right here, you need to click or tap one, wait for a couple of seconds, depends on your internet. Wait as it is updating. Once done, you can now open or launch your Threads. And then it's easy to make your Threads account private. All you need to do is tap on your profile at the bottom right corner and then click these lines at the top right corner. Now here you need to scroll down and look for privacy. Tap on privacy here. And what you're going to do next is just toggle on or switch on the private profile. Once you switch this one on, you will be notified with this, and all you need to do is to read. And once you're okay, just tap on the OK option. And that's how you set your Threads account into private. If you want to set it again to public, all you need to do is to switch this one off and your Threads will be now in public. But this is how easy it is. Just make sure that you're using the latest version in order for you to avoid problems with the application. Take note that only your followers can interact with you once you switch your Threads into private. So that's how easy it is to make Threads account private. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.